So what exactly is the problem with the orange car?
It's too loud, so let's send it to neighbor Michael and neighbor Sharon. I think they would like that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But Daddy likes this old orange car.
But it's not as well trained. This is noisy. I don't like it. And even Mommy and Stella and you don't like it either. So let's just send it to someone else.
Really?
Yeah.
But I'll be sad.
But that's too loud for you and me and Mommy and Stella. And it's really loud. And I don't like that. And Mommy and Daddy, no. Mommy and Stella and me and you don't like it. So let's send this, say, hey, who wants your orange car? It's too loud.
Okay.
So the next time I see a God, I'll tell you. Then you send it to someone else and they'll say yes. So no more for orange cars.
Okay.
No more. No.